Hey everyone, if your iPhone doesn't show the cleanup tool or is not inside in the Photos app, here is how to get it. Many YouTubers showing cleanup tool video but they have iOS developer beta installed so they can make tweak early before the public release. Okay, so don't worry, watch this complete video to know about why you can't get cleanup tool in Photos app while you're editing photos as like Google Magic Eraser tool. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to access cleanup tool in Photos app. Simply launch the Photos app on your iPhone and now open an image with an object or people that you want to remove. Okay, so I'm open up the picture. Now you need to tap on the edit options on the bottom. So there are two limitations. First is you must have iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max with 3 camera lens or an iPhone 16 series lineup. If you have iPhone 15 or earlier iPhones, iPhone 14, iPhone 13, iPhone 12 series, or iPhone 11 or iPhone SE, then you can't get cleanup tool on Photos app. And second thing is you must have installed iOS 18.1 on your iPhone. Let's check it out. So hop into the settings app and now go to general and click on about section. So you can see here iPhone model name and current iOS version on your iOS device installed. So if your device not fulfill these both requirements, then you won't get cleanup tool option on your device. For that, you can install any third-party photo editing app from the App Store. Does anybody else watching video with an iPhone that has been updated to software 18.1 already and still doesn't show have cleanup tool icon? Please write down your comment below. I hope this guide video found helpful. Thanks for watching. Please liking this video and subscribing my channel to get more useful tutorial on Apple products. Have a nice day.